Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the time in an Audi A4. First, locate the MMI control panel, usually found near the gear selector. Press the dedicated car button to access the main vehicle settings menu. Once in the menu, use the large central control knob to scroll through the available options. This initial step gets you into the system where time adjustments can be made, ensuring you're ready for the next steps. Now that you're in the main vehicle settings, scroll down until you find the settings option and select it. Within the settings menu, you'll see various categories. Look for and select date and time to proceed. This specific menu is where all clock-related adjustments are housed. Confirm your choice by pressing the control knob, which will take you directly to the time adjustment screen, ready for the next step. On the date and time screen, you'll see options for hours and minutes. Highlight the specific field you wish to adjust, whether it's the hour or the minute. Then, rotate the control knob to increase or decrease the value until the correct time is displayed. Once you have set the desired time, navigate to the Set or OK button and press the control knob to confirm your changes. This action applies the new time. After confirming your time adjustment, take a moment to verify that the newly set time is accurate on your display. This ensures everything is correct before you exit. To leave the settings menu, simply press the back button, usually located near the control knob, until you return to your desired screen. Your Audi A4's clock is now successfully updated and ready to go, reflecting the precise time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.